kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a Nappyfulery video. What you fooling around with, girl? Well, since you asked, don't mind me. This is what it looks like when you record by yourself. You talk to yourself. Coming at y'all with another wig hack video, celebrity secrets, YouTubers that be slaying them wig secrets, hairstylists that be slaying them wig secrets. I learned a few new things to melt the lace into thy skin, but in a way that is protective and healthy for your natural hair. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. Let go. This week I was inspired by Romans 5:3-4. And not only this, but we also exalt in our tribulations. Tribulations can also mean struggles or troubles. Knowing that tribulation brings about perseverance, and perseverance, proven character, and proven character, hope. Thank you, God, for the word. Welcome back, y'all, and shout out to Her Giving Hair for teaming up with me today. They are sponsoring today's look. This is their Bossy Bob wig. I actually saw it on a few other YouTubers, and I knew I had to try it because it's giving me high school vibes, y'all. This is a look I did quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, but I did it in high school. However, it wasn't this type of quality. Y'all know Her Giving Hair. They don't play with that natural hair, okay? They definitely have a leg up on really mimicking the natural hair texture to perfection, okay? In high school, I did this look as a quick weave. When you gel all your hair down, glue the tracks on top, and then do an invisible part here. Y'all know, cut the little small pieces, lay it down. Yes, your girl was doing that back in high school, okay? But now I ain't gotta do it. Her Giving Hair has a whole bunch of preset wigs for you, already set as a look. All you gotta do is plop it on and secure the wig, and you're good to go. And now, let's get into that. All right, kinks, y'all know normally I will co-wash my units. However, nowadays, you know, with all this going on, I take extra precaution, and now what I do is use a moisturizing shampoo first. Then I'll follow up with a moisturizing conditioner and leave the conditioner on for about, 15 or 20 minutes. And then I rinse that sucker out. And here we are, y'all. This thing, oh, look at that shine. Look at that sheen. Can I call that sheen? That's some sheen. And I like that. Or maybe that's just my light. I don't know, but that thing's shining, girl. This is the shedding that I got from the wash process, and it's not a lot. Good quality. That's what's up, okay? Now I want to style this hair. I am going for a flat iron look, flat like paper. Almost. All right, so I let it air dry overnight, and see, look at all puffy and everything, and now it's ready for me to flat iron the heck out of it, okay? I will be bouncing between using my hot comb and my flat iron. I will have both of them at the highest temperature, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm pretty much going to work in sections. All right, so let's get into a little bit of these secrets now. So flat ironing, I've come to learn that, hey, when it comes to using hairsprays, heat protected and all that stuff, and you're going to be using, and you want to use it for straightening a unit, if the hair quality is really good, you don't need all that. You should get a shine. It should get real straight without you having to use any extra. And that's exactly what Her Giving Hair is giving me. Look at that. I didn't use nothing on this thing, and it's flowing. It's moving like feather. Perfection. That's what I like. So I can keep my product. I can save my product, but if this was like one of their curly hair units or a kinky hair unit, then I might break out some moves, but I'm not flat ironing that, right? I want to define those curls more. So yeah, product then. But for flat ironing and straightening your hair, you might find yourself not really needing it. As long as it's a good quality wig, you don't need all that hairspray stuff. Just flat iron and go. So one thing I've definitely find very, very helpful is using the chase method. The chase method is when you use a fine tooth comb, like that, and then you follow with the flat iron. What this does is just allow for a straighter, smoother result, like so. Oh, look at that, like that. Off camera, I went ahead and finished the rest, and here is the ending result. Ooh, I can't wait to get this on my head, y'all. Look at this thing. Ooh, I love me some yaki texture, man. I love the volume of it. I love the fullness, the way it moves. I have no ring light, no nothing on. This is a regular sheen that this hair gives you. I use no product. It's a straight flat iron, heat, and that's it. They do lightly bleach the knots for you as well. So if you want to do a little bit more, you can. But I'm going to leave my stuff just like it is. I'm good. I'm happy with this. And I'm ready to put it on my dome. Lego. Strong foundation, better experience. So from the very beginning, you want to still care for your hair underneath. So I lightly brush my hair back. I no longer wear 4 pigtails or 4 loose twists underneath my units any longer. I will flat twist my hair going straight back. It's a stronger foundation and less friction from the wig if it does move around. And of course, you want to oil your hair a little bit before you apply. Using a stocking cap, I don't need anything else but that, okay? I'm going to apply my wig. And the first impression that I have of this when I saw it in the mirror, I was like, oh, okay. Hello there, Dora the Explorer. Hello there, Olivia. Nope. But anyway, I'm going to get into it. I'm going to, I'm going to rock this and just, see how I feel. It's been a while since I've had short, straight bob. Anyway, because they do bleach the knots for you and they do a light plucking, when it comes to the installation, I'm not going to have to do that much work. I just like the way it feels too. That's why I keep touching it. Anyway, let's get into this, y'all. So, first part I'm going to customize is the ear tabs. Now, one thing I've learned is that these ear tabs has to be cut to the curvature of your ear. Okay, so I'm using a combination of the scissors and the razor. I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut towards the ear tab at an angle. For me, it just makes it easier to do the razor. Now, the first time I do this, I am going to mess up. I didn't cut at a curve. I just cut straight backwards. Even though it still looks pretty good though. But you'll see on the other side what I mean by that curve. It's a major difference when you do the curve. All right, flipping to the other side. This is the curve. You see how much of a difference it is when I curve that mug. Okay, look at that curvature around the corner. See how it just snugly hits behind that ear. That's what we're going for, okay? That side is what you want, not the other side. But the other side cool too. All right, so now the front, the part that everybody and mama will see first before they see your ears. I've learned you want to cut to camouflage, not expose. Don't be exposing your business in these streets, y'all. So you want to cut that front to camouflage between the skin and where the lace meets, okay? So because of that, that's why I don't recommend using scissors. They recommend using a razor. A razor would give a jagged look because most of our edge ups are what? Jagged. Majority of people don't have a straight from ear to ear edge up. So the razor will give you that jagged look. When you cut the lace, do not cut all the lace. You have to leave some there. You see how I still have some left over? It gives for a better blend. Also, it makes it a lot easier when you do want to secure your wig. If you don't have no lace to hold on to, you're pulling out on the actual hair. Secondly, making sure you're leaving some lace prevents you from cutting too far back to where now the wig becomes too short. Hope that makes sense. I've done that before. So I'm telling you, leave some lace behind. You'll be a happy camper. Okay. Baby hairs. YouTube has taught me I ain't got to do baby hairs. Okay. I don't feel like I ain't got to do it. But I need something to cover up the lace, right? So YouTube has taught me to just take out a little bit of hair. Little bit of hair. Okay. And baby hairs, it's a personal preference, right? YouTubers like Peak Mill has shown me that you can rock a unit and not have to have baby hairs for days, okay? When I do my baby hairs, I don't like them to be too short. In fact, what I do is use my ring finger as a measuring tool. I try not to have it go any longer than the first line on my finger, maybe up to the second line, but definitely no shorter, than the first line on my finger. If it's shorter than that, I'll probably have a hard time working with it. So that's kind of where I stop at. I like it to be as realistic as my regular hair, and I never baby hair anything on contour, okay? So I don't really do much of my units either. I've learned from YouTube, lace glue, not necessary. Lace bond, you bond, ghost bond, we just bonding. You don't need that type of level unless you are like, I don't know, shooting a music video or something, I don't know. But that everyday type of chick like myself, girl, got to be gel, spray. Which one you talking about? Oh, both? You can do both also. I tend to do this the most because it's quick, it's simple, it's easy. Let me show you. You want to have your wig start not here, but where your natural hairline is, right? Because I think before I used to have it like here, which made my forehead smaller, but I'm actually happy to be part of the 4-finger gang, okay? So I want you to start where my hairline naturally starts. So I push it back, 4 fingers still fit. She's good to go. What's the problem? Okay. Now that I know I want my side to go right here, I'm going to pull it back, expose it. So here we go. I'm I'm going to spray this right on here, and I'm going to do it in sections. Okay, that's on. YouTube has taught me the importance of a hair dryer. Definitely a time saver. And the most important tip that I learned from one of the important tips I've learned from I Am Erica J, I think that's a YouTuber name. Start off in a cool setting. Once that is set, use your finger, make sure it's tacky. Do one more layer. Start off in cool setting again, but then end with a warm temperature. Warm, not hot, warm. And what that would do is really let that lace melt. Pull your wig forward past the line and then let it slide back and it'll fall into place perfectly. Okay, now you're gonna take a rat tail comb, use the tail part of it and press that in. Now this right here, I learned it from I Am Erica J. Take a comb and brush it back. Brush the part that you need to melt into your skin backwards. And look at that transition from skin to lace. What lace? No, for real. I cannot find it. Let's get these sides together. So if I didn't want to tack that down, I'm just showing y'all how it lays down without me tacking it down at all. But for the completion of the video, of course, I'm going to tack everything down. Again, remember y'all, I spoke earlier that it's very, very convenient to work in sections. So I did my front section first, as we just saw, and now I'm going to do each side. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to spray it, dry it, spray it, and I'm going to dry it, ending in the warm setting. And next thing you know, you place that lace down, use your rat tail comb, and then what? It melts. Boom. Once you're done with that side, look at that. I'm sorry. You can't clock me. You will not be able to clock me today, okay? Not today, not tomorrow, when it's melted like this. Oh, right? Everything is secure from front to side to side. So now I'm going to take my 99-cent store scarf, okay? Tie it down the front. I only left it for like 10, 15 minutes. That was really all that I needed because the spray, it really got it secure. So now I'm going to pull out the little semi-wannabe baby hairs that I made. I'm not swooping nothing, okay? Taking my concealer, I'm going to define my part a little bit more to, make a even more smoother transition. So as far as all these celebrity and professional YouTube wig making tips, they are definitely coming in handy. And each time I do these videos, I am seeing the improvement. I hope you are too. Okay. I'm going to keep it real simple. I'm not going to add no bump, no curls, no nothing. Just straight and sleek. But this A-line bob is ready to go. So A-line, how are you feeling? What was that? Oh, I got to put some makeup on? Okay. Give me a second. Okay. It's going to tell me to put some makeup. All right. So now I got a face on. So we good, right? What? Oh, I gotta change my outfit too, just to, 1 second. We good now? Got my face, got my lippy, got my earrings. And your girl is feeling cute. I think my bride price just went up. Ching ching. Don't mind me. So kinks, what y'all think? Y'all like the look? Let me know in the comment box below. And now we have come to today's NapChat question. I have seen quite a few videos that feel like wigs really is not a safe way to protect your hair. In fact, I heard some say it's quite damaging. Of course, your girl disagrees, but I want to know what Team Kinks think. So, do you think wigs is a safe and a healthy way to protect your natural hair? If you do, why? If you don't, why not? Let us know in the comment box below. Trust me, your response would definitely help another kink out. Thanks in advance. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. By the grace of God, you will see this chocolate girl all up on your screen again, okay? Until then, remember, Team Kinks, Team K-I-N-K, K-I-N-K, oh, sorry. See, I'm about to go too far. Y'all gotta reel me. Y'all gotta bring me back in. I'm just saying. Until then, in order to have healthy hair, we got to do healthy things consistently. I'll be messing up too, y'all. And y'all, I know, it's even worse because I have this channel. And I'll still be messing up on my own hair. This is a situation of do as I said, not as I do. But no, I'm really working on being an example, a better example. So y'all pray for me, okay? God help me. I am lazy sometimes. NappyFu checking out. Deuces. My friend, where are you going? You thought it was over? It ain't over yet. Bloop, bloop. Telling me this and telling me that. You say when I'm with you, I'll never go back. Say there's a lesson you wanna take. Well, here I am, baby. Practice. What you are preaching. Y'all just saying kinny con, but y'all not doing it. I have no explanation for why I am like this, but thank you for loving me in all of my craziness. Okay, thank you. Well, I'm clapping. But kudos to y'all for loving me in all my craziness. I mean, I don't know. Where you about to go, Grace? I'm about to go to my friend's house is what I'm about to do. Somebody gonna see me today, okay? With my dress on, okay? My hairline bob, okay? My soft, no makeup, 10-minute look, okay? Somebody gonna see me today, okay?
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful.